Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Mishra, a legal intern in LexClick and Company. So today in this video I will talk about live-in relationship in India. Before starting with my topic, I would like to tell that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement under the guideline of Bar Council of India. The sole purpose of this video is only for educational purpose. Now let's get started with the video. Live-in relationship. Before just jumping into this topic, I would like to tell that what marriage is. Marriage. Marriage, a legally and socially sanctioned union, usually by a man and a woman, that is regulated by law, custom, usage, beliefs, and attitudes that prescribes the rights and duties of the partner and accords status to their offspring. Now, labor relationship. The concept of Mitru Sambal is nothing but the concept of live-in relationship. Youngster believes that it's better to have live-in relationship rather than having a divorced life. Legal definition of live-in relationship: an arrangement of living under which couples are unmarried live together to conduct long-going relationships similarly as in marriage. Live-in relationship, living together without marrying does not constitute an offence. The following statement came from Punjab and Haryana High Court on May 18, 2001. Through the concept of live-in relationship is practiced in India from a long period of time. The meaning is that two adults, boy, girl, above the 18 year of age can live together as husband and wife with their consent without any fear from the eyes of law. Now, further, the Punjab and Haryana court giving protection to live-in couple as they were being threatened by their parents. The order passed by Justice S.C. Madam on May 11, 2001, after hearing the argument through video conferencing. Now, stopping this, I would like to tell that before just the judgment was passed about giving protection, what happened? The Punjab and Haryana High Court refused to grant protection to a live-in couple who faced threats from the girl's family, since their annulment, while noting that if such protection as claimed is granted, the entire social fabric of the society would get disturbed. So, before getting the final judgment, the first judgment of the court was that no ground to grant the protection is made out. So, now what happened that the bench was recognized and was set up, and they looked into the earlier case, that is Shakti Vahini versus Union of India, where the Supreme Court in the above case another held that assertion of choice is an inseparable facet of liberty and dignity. Liberty? What is liberty? The liberty word in its concrete sense consists in the ability to choose. So, the branch recognized in this case that the concept of honor killing has many facets and has increased in this society, where a girl or a boy fall in love or has entered into marriage, the collective behaves like a patriarchal society, patriarchal monarch, which treats their wife, sister, and daughter subordinates, having no individual autonomy, desire, or identities. Therefore, the branch reminds the Constitutional Court that this obligation should abolish and guard the right to liberty of an individual, as the dignity existence of an individual has an inseparable association with liberty. Now, what happened that Supreme Court gave on live-in relationship. Living together is not an offense. No law in India prohibits slave relationship. Referring to Article 21, the court observed living together falls under right to life. The court has observed, in our opinion, a man and women, even without getting married, can live in relationship if they wish to, is not an offense. But society may regard as immoral, but it is not illegal. There is a difference between law and morality. The society may not in a point to adjust or accept the relationship because of tradition, customs and culture, but it is not immoral, it is legal in the eyes of law. So now what happened that, so keeping in mind of the bench made it clear that intimate step should be taken to provide security to the couple. Labor relationship is a social complex, no doubt, okay, no doubt, but this and there are lots of people who might not agree, not be able to adjust easily. What do you think? Are you in support of labor relationship or against it? Do you think it's create a moral and social issue or just a matter of choice and there shall not be any harm to couple living together? Now, thank you for everyone for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please give it thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me know your feedback in the comment box. Till then, take care. Goodbye.